What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and break down your Titan array system. Now the Titan array system has been updated since the initial making of this video, so if you have a newer version of this system, this will apply to you. Aside from the assembly and the breakdown, the system works the exact same way, so after we explain how to assemble it, we're going to go back to the old version of this video to explain how exactly the whole system works, and then we'll come back in to show you how to break it down. So if we take a look at the column pieces here, you'll see that each one is different. So we have this column that has the square end, and this actually goes in first. Then we have a column piece with a round end and a socket on the other side. So this acts as the middle piece. And this column has the round end at the very bottom, so it goes right on top. So we're gonna grab our first column piece here, again, that has the square end at the bottom. We're gonna line that up to the top of the sub here, just like this. Then we're gonna push all the way down until we hear that click, and that way we know it's connected. Next, we'll grab the second column, which again has this round piece at the bottom and the circular hole on top. So we're gonna line up the round end at the bottom here to the socket on the top of the first column and push it all the way down. And now we're gonna take the last column piece and line up the circular end to the socket on the second column, push it all the way down. And now our columns are all set, so we can continue the setup. So again, the assembly and the breakdown are the only differences between this Titan array and the older Titan array system. So we're gonna go to the older video now to show you the rest of the setup until we have to break it down. So once we're all done using the Titan array system, we can go ahead and break it down. First, you'll wanna make sure to power down your system and take out the power cable. And now from here, we can take down each of these column pieces. So we'll start with the top one here and just pull up on it just like this. Then we can set it down to take care of the next column piece by pulling up. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing for the last piece here. And we're all done. So now we can put away the pieces for our system into their own bags, like this bag right here, which is the smaller bag for the column pieces. And what's also really cool are these dividers here, so each column is sectioned off and secure. So if you want, you can take your middle column and place it inside of the middle row. Then you can take the other two columns and place them on either side. And what's also cool is that these zippers have holes in the middle, so we can run a padlock through for extra security. You can then carry the bag using these straps here, which Velcro together so that you have a more secure grip to pick it up. The last thing we're gonna do is take the cover for our subwoofer, line up the bottom of the cover to the top of the sub like this. Also make sure that the logo is facing the front. Then you can pull the cover all the way down. What's also nice is that each handle is still accessible because of the openings here on each side. And there's even a pocket on the back to place your power cables, remotes, microphones, etc. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to assemble and pack up your Titan array system. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.